What's good, YouTube? So today I'm installing this part I ordered for the Explorer ST, and while I was setting up I figured I'd make a video. But if you have one of these, you know this comes a different color. It's like a metal gray type of color, which is really annoying, and it does get a lot of sun glare that I dislike. And I really don't like the transition. I wish all this was black. So I was looking up some different ways to go about this. I've seen people wrap it, and then I also saw like a carbon fiber thing or cover that goes glued onto this with 3M, which is what I have here. So this came in the mail. I ordered it on Amazon. Let's see what's in here. So it's a 2-piece. There is some that cover the whole dash, but I'm mainly worried about this area. And then if you can tell, there's little scratches already just from wear. So this should be a quick fix for that. Let me open it up and then I'll show you. We'll test fit it before I put it on. We're back. I got them off of the bag. This is what it looks like. It's pretty much plastic with the carbon fiber look. So this piece will go right here, and then the bigger one will go up in here. There we go. I had to open up the center console, but this is kind of what it's gonna look like, which already looks 10 times better. Gets rid of that silver that I dislike. But before I install them, I'm gonna clean this up with some alcohol. This is what it looks like from the back. All those 3M strips. It doesn't say 3M, which if it was to fail, I'll just buy some 3M tape, some 3M branded tape, and replace myself. It did come with some spare tape, which is here. So adhesive promoter. It doesn't come with any instructions. And this is the tape. It's pretty much telling you that it's spare just in case, which is nice. It's nice of them to include it. Another one of these. So I'm gonna be cleaning it with some alcohol prep wipes, which look like these. I just had some spare in the house that I'll use, and let me wipe it clean, and I'll get back when I'm ready to install. Alright, so I wiped it with the alcohol already. You don't need the alcohol, as this is the same thing. You want to wipe it with one of these. So I'm just being extra careful. So let's try this one. This wipe actually has like a acetone smell to it, and it's kind of on the drier side. You want to wipe all the spots where it's gonna make contact. The other one. These were on the drier side, so I'm glad I had the alcohol wipes. This one seemed a little bit, no, it's about the same. All right, so that's that. It should dry pretty quickly. It's actually kind of sticky. So now what we're gonna do is start peeling these. We got them all. All right, so after we place it, we really won't have much adjustment. So it's already trying to get stuck. Alright, so I just pried down on it on the parts that it might have some tape, and then I'm gonna put this one now, and then I'll go over it and push down on it on all the points. The hardest part is probably peeling this 3M tape. Alright. No. That seems about right. I just have a little towel here. That way I can put some pressure, go over the spots. Don't go crazy with the amount of pressure you place, as the center console is plastic. You pretty much just want to massage the areas, make sure we get a good bond or stick. The knobs are still the same color. It doesn't bother me as much now that most of that silver color or metal color is gone. It actually looks a lot better, in my opinion. They did have another option for the gloss black, but I also dislike the gloss black because it's a fingerprint magnet. So hopefully this lasts quite a bit. I mean, the only thing that can fail is the tape. But if that was to happen, we'll get some better tape. Come on the passenger side and massage it here. Overall, I think the fit's pretty good. this is what the end result looks like. Little transition here. Here's a side view. Overall, I really like it. It really goes with the Explorer.